Redbird, I'm going to tell you the truth, Redbird. You want to see what I'm talking to you with making all that noise around Georgia? I put it on YouTube, man. I labeled this my insult to injury radio station. Anybody that knows Richie and his previous CB shops will tell you the boy have 1,000-watt box of better on the table. The boy run Uniden Grand XLs, Superstar 3900s, and 2,000 bases. What you see on this video is a big joke, Redbird. Hello. Yeah, all right. Redbird, I gotta put Redbird. I gotta stick you in the nest for 1 second, man. I got somebody under the shop antenna, and I gotta do something. Yo, young kid, key up. What's his name? Hey, Steve. Steve, you're not on channel 20, Steve. Put it on channel 20. You hit the 10 kilohertz switch. You're not on 20. Look at me. Come here. Steve, count to 5. How could he be under the antenna? All right, count to 10. 1, 2. One more time. 4 to 5. No. The clarifier's moved. If he's outside doing half my meter, get me that fucking box now. Outside doing half the meter. Hey, Redbird. Hello, Redbird. Redbird, they call me Crash, Redbird. They call me Crash, Mr. Redbird. Hello.
Hello. I got you there, Crash. Come on in the house.
Yeah, Roger. Nah, I had one of the customers under the CB shop antenna, man. He left his kid down in the vehicle so he could hear what time it was up in the shop. And when he took a look and he seen his kid coming in with half a meter being under the antenna, and you out there in DX putting a 9-pound carrier, I said, yo, please get me that box.
All right. Man, boy, you don't give me that box, man. I hear you. I got one that's been worked on, man. Those 2 8s,
Redbird, his vehicle is downstairs under the antenna, and when you keyed up, you came in with a 9-pound. His vehicle is under my shop antenna, and he watched his vehicle key up, his son count to 5, and the needle not move past 5. Roger?
Roger. I heard that, but 9 pounds on your vehicle.
Well, it's time to do what RC does best. A little bit of radio control. Hey, Redbird, tell me something, man. What time you plan on having lunch today? That's all I want to know. What time do you plan on taking your lunch? Well, Mr. Redbird, I'm gonna try and eat lunch with you today. Because I'm gonna have you staring at the smartphone for 10 little minutes. You're gonna get the 10 minutes of the Richie Redbird show there, Roger?
Yeah, Roger, I hear you there. I hear you. Well, do you have solo? Do you have solo?
No, sir. I'm going to put it on YouTube for you. You're going to type in these words. Nemesis Radio 127. Nemesis Radio 127. Nemesis, like the Archangel. Roger? That's a Roger. Well, I tell you what. As long as you got an Android or a BlackBerry, for sure, we're going to be having lunch together today. Yeah. That's a Roger there. That's a Roger on that. All right, listen. You know what? I don't think it's going to be a full 10 minutes because I can't let this thing run another 4 minutes. People just walk through the shop door and I got to kill the Watergate. So me and you, we're going to be eating lunch for 6 minutes and 27 seconds there, Roger? You're going to see the words while Mother Nature snatches. You see the words Redbird, and the video is 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Roger?